Welcome back, guys. This is Vishal. Today, I want to sort out an issue that is persisting for a long now because when you're playing a video game, it always stutters here and there, and it does very annoying to get experience those kind of issues always popping up whenever you are playing the game, and this can be sorted out by downloading the latest turnip driver, which I am going to leave the, or else I'll show you in the video how to get that. So here is the let me go back to here. You need to go here, like all turnip drivers for all versions, they are pretty ones. So let me go on to the first one and click there, and you will be seeing all the versions related to it. And I downloaded this one, this latest one, not this one. It is turnip. Let me highlight it down for you. And this one, after downloading, you need to go to the download. So I have downloaded it. So moving on to forward, how to install this driver was simple. You need to go to yuzu, where this is okay. Oh god, yuzu. Okay, I think it's already running, but anyhow, I'll just continue this video, or else I'll show you. Pause the settings and not here. Let's exit the emulator, and you need to go to the settings down here, install the GPU driver. It shows Mesa Turnip Arduino driver. First one is the default one, but you need to change that in order to work properly with all the graphic drivers, having to have placed in one side, but it all get confused. But you need to be careful on what driver that you want to install. Let's just say click install, and you need to go for downloads, and you can see here this is the one that I have downloaded, and let me set it here. Install Mesa Turnip Arduino 3.2.0. after doing that, you need to head down to any game that you like. I'm going for Crash Bandicoot Insane Trilogy. This is the basic game that I want to play recently. I am literally enjoying every piece of it. But anyhow, let's see how this game is going to work for you, or else does the game crash, or we face any kind of startup issues. Let's see how this okay, there is no issues. The game is loading perfectly fine. Of course, I have tested before, but for you guys, I'm showing you on what driver that you have to use to work on almost all the games, that you don't need to have to check the particular driver, that which is running fine or not, or is it crashing or not. So you don't have to go through it, because I went into the issues and sorted out.
A smashing blast from the past.
Smashing blast from the past. I can see that how flashing that was. Okay, I'm moving on to the further. Let me skip all these things.
Visions.
Game is running perfectly fine. But note down, guys, this is Snapdragon 870 processor, which has incredibly doing well. But these days Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 2 is a top-notch device, a flagship device, where the games will run, every game will run at almost 30 fps. Other than that, Snapdragon 888 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, these games are working, but not that much performance as Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is giving us. Okay, I think this video is getting longer. I don't know if ever I get views on this, or else should I have to do something else. Okay, right onto the video, and that was at 5 minutes the video will start. Okay, I'm getting stutters, but you don't really face any stutters, trust me.